Hey guys, this is an update on the dollar index and the dollar pairs. So we're taking a look here at the dollar index, the US dollar index, and that's the weekly time frame. So every candle, guys, is a week's worth of price data. So price held support in here. Remember, every week, every candle is a week worth of data, and this candle here, this big green candle is when that triggered buy signal for the pairs. But since then, we've had some consolidation. We did have 1 week where price moved up really nice, but since then we've had these white candles here is consolidation. So price has basically stuck all to the downside, okay, on the weekly time frame. All right, what we were hoping for is that price would move higher, get above this resistance here, and start to trend, but price is definitely slowing down. We did hit some consolidation in here, okay, in the past. So we've got support right in here, resistance right in here, and then longer term support right in here. So price is definitely slowing, so we want to be cautious with the dollar pairs for now. What we're hoping to happen is this. On the daily time frame, so this is the same dollar index, guys. On the daily time frame, here was our buy signal here when we saw price moved up here on this weekly candle here. Here is the same action, price action, on the daily time frame. So right now price is stuck between resistance here and support right here. So we still have a buy signal, but we want to be careful because price is no longer trading above this resistance and is holding between support and resistance. Still green candles, that's great, but that can change if price moves lower. This week will be a big week, because if price moves lower, we could get a white candle just like here, and just like this area here. So what we don't want to happen is this way. We got a buy signal, price got below support, and we got a sell signal here to get out. Same here and same here. So the dollar pairs have struggled a bit to get above these areas here of resistance. These are strong resistance, and these will support. So previous support becomes resistance. So we have a lot of, has a lot of trouble getting above these areas in here. So just be careful with the dollar pairs. We were hoping that things would break out and we would trend to the upside, but that's not happening right now. It doesn't mean that it will not change. I mean, things could move this week and start to trend. All right. So here's a look at Monster Scalper. So right now, as far as the long side, upside, the dollar pairs, that's really where our best opportunity lie right now, is with the dollar pairs. So we'll continue to work through that. Okay, so let's go through some of the pairs. So USD ZAR, and just look right in this area here. Okay, so here's the buy signal here. Price was moving higher, now fell back within support and resistance. I'll just go through a few of these. USD ZAR, USD TRY, it's consolidating between support and resistance. USD SGD, I had the buy signal here. All right, price is moving up nicely. This looks good. We got resistance right here though, so we've got to get above resistance. All right, USD SEK, USD SEK, that's trading between support and resistance there. USD PLN, trading within support and resistance. So we don't have a lot of moves to the up, big moves to the upside. USD NOK, buy signal here, moved pretty nicely here and is holding. So what we'd like to see is price hold and continue higher above this support, especially that resistance line. All right, here's another one here. Okay, same thing here. USD HKD, that was a fairly new buy signal and price is holding. It's good when we see price hold. What we don't want to see is price collapse. Okay. All right. USD CZK, that's holding right here. Same thing here. USD CNH, that's holding. USD CHF, a lot of selling that came in here held support. So price, every candle here is a day's worth of data. So held support. If it breaks this support in here, we'll get a sell signal to get out, just like this area in here. Okay, but the hope is we can get these candles to move higher, get some buying coming this week. That's the hope. And then price moves higher. USD CAD, same thing here. Buy signal. Price is struggling between support and resistance here, near the resistance. So hopefully we can get a move to the upside. All right.